Let's start from here, just outside St. Paul station. It's been a while that I'm not doing street photography here in London. So the plan is, to start here in St. Paul and then move to South Bank. Long shadows, sun, I like it very much. Let's see if we can do something here. There's this gentleman with his phone. Obviously, there are plenty of people. So, another point. Am I shooting everything on 1.2? No, but if my subject is far away, definitely 1.2 is kind of a good choice. Why? You still can see depth of field, not too much, but it gives you a lovely out of focus transition. Also, the 50mm has basically no distortion, similar to 35. It's kind of the natural. Oh, I love this one. The sun is going away here, and that's why we are moving to the Millennium Bridge. I love those two, this couple. Maybe 85 would have been better here.
If you're in a place that you don't know, always look for the light, because it's what makes the difference in your shots. We are approaching Millennium Bridge, a hotspot for street photography in London. There's no shame in capturing the classic shots you have seen from other photographers. This is how you practice and refine your technique. Especially if you are new to the city, those iconic images are a must. But as you progress in your photography journey, you'll find yourself wanting to create images that reflect something personal, something uniquely you, rather than just replicating what's been done before. So we arrived to South Bank, which is like a gold mine for street photography, especially during sunset.
In this case, you want to shoot 5, 6 or 8 even.
The light is getting better and better, and there are plenty of people, so it's just about finding the right subject and the right spot. And we arrived to Blackfriars, which I think is the most beautiful train station in the world. And also it's one of the best places where you can take a picture of the London skyline. From now on, the light is so beautiful that it's just a matter of finding the right subject. I've been shooting all the time using aperture priority with a minimum shutter speed of 1/500. And then you can use the exposure compensation dial to set the exposure where you want.
F8.
This is another great place to take picture of the skyline because you have the beach, you have the bridge, and also the skyline obviously. In this case there is this woman with the dog, so it's perfect. Another shot of the skyline. There is a fantastic subject and the light is sterling. Using aperture priority allows you to be ready to capture every single moment it's gonna happen. Oh, the sun is setting just behind Waterloo Bridge and there are the bus, a double-decker bus passing through. This is a fantastic shot. Usually the most common focal length for street photography are from 28, 35, 40, 50, 85, but I would say use the focal length that you prefer, the one you are more comfortable with. And then with the time you're gonna start challenging yourself, trying to use different focal lengths and maybe do some experiment, right? And try something different, which is always good and open like more possibility for your photography. And this one I believe is maybe the best shot of the day. Well, that's a wrap for today. I hope you did enjoy it and you got some useful idea for your next shots. If you have any question, drop a message and I'll see you around. in the next one. Ciao!